All right. Hi, I'm Michelle. Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is Jason and Lisa, and we are at the Trade Day of the World Park and Leisure Home Show 2023. How they use our MDF mouldings in their homes. So,
yeah, so a needle pulling thread.
Whoa, hold on. Oh, sorry. Right. Okay. Right.
Go.
I'm looking at you while you're talking.
If you want, you
Right,
can look wherever you want.
Right.
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 What are you doing?
I'm gonna look at the floor.
And seeing how they've used our MDF mouldings in their park homes.
Great.
That doesn't sound right. It doesn't. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
You're more relaxed than I am.
Okay, I won't say anything about my ass.
I dreamed a dream of days gone by.
Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is Jane.
Want to get something to eat?
Oh, that'd be a good idea.
Oh.
We forgot about eating.
Yeah.
Why don't we come with you?
Hi. Calling.
There you go.
You're natural. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing some of our customers and kind of the
It's on all weekend, guys, so come on, join us. Let's go and have a look.